Hi, this is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources, and we're looking at question 7 on the May 2023 paper. Number 7, a sequence of designs is made using black disc and white disc. The first 3 designs in the sequence are shown below. So we noticed that we had 2 dark going up, and then it increased by 1 to 3 and increased by another 1 to 4. So we're asked, in the space provided on the grid above, draw design 4. So I'm going to go here. So just going to shade in here. So we shade in 1, 2, 3, 4. So before we had 4, so it's going to be 5 and then a circle, right? And here was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it was 1, 2, 3, increased by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, increased by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're doing the same thing. Okay. Then we notice on the inside 2 increased by 1 again. So I'm going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we go same thing above. And above. Now we have to increase by 1. Going up. Okay, so that's our 4th diagram. Okay, so here we have part B. It says the design number P, 1, 2, 3, number of white disc. It has 1 times 1. Okay, that's the same, plus 1, plus 1. And they got 3. Okay, then we do 2. So P was 2. And here we have 2 times 2 times 2 plus 1. The 1 remains the same as was in for design number 1. Design number 3 recognizes 3 times 3 times 3 plus 1. The 1 remains the same. And then you add and you get 13. So now P is 9. So that means we're going to get 9 times 9 plus 9 times 1. And that's going to give us 91. We can also see here in part 2, we have 20, 20, 20. And it was the same here for number 1 and design number 2. So this is 20. That means we could work out n. So it is n by n plus n plus 1. Good. Okay, so now let's go to the number of black disc. So from here to here, you're adding 2. And here to here, you're adding 2. So that tells me, well, first I need to get a relationship between the design number and the number of black disc. So we're adding 2. So that means, let's try 2n plus 2. Okay, so let's see. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, so it works. 2 times 9 is 18, 19, 20. So that answer here is 20. Okay, so 2 times 20 is 40, and 40 plus 2 is 42. Okay, let's come across now to total number of disc, T. So we recognize that from 7 to 13, we're adding 6. and 13 to 21, we're adding, all right, I'm gonna get 8. Okay, so if you look here, actually here, 91 and 111. So if I take 91 from 111, I'm gonna get 20. So we're adding the 91 and the 20 to get 111. Let's see, 421 and 42. 421 and 42. That is 463. Okay, so now what's this formula here? So we're adding these two. So we're gonna get n squared plus n plus 1 plus 2n plus 2. So that's n squared plus n plus 2n plus 1 plus 2. So that's n squared plus 3n plus 3. So that's this, n squared plus 3n plus 3. Okay, let me write that a little clearer. N squared plus 3n plus 3. And that's it. So Stefan has 28 black discs and 154 white discs and wants to make design 12. Explain why it is not possible. So let's underline that. Not possible for him to make design 12. Okay. So we need the information from the previous question. So design 12 would be number of white disc, and that will be n squared plus n plus 1. So that's 12 squared plus 12 plus 1. 144 plus 12 plus 1. So that's going to give us 156, 157. Okay, so that's number of white disc. Number of black disc would be 2n plus 2. So that's 2 by 12 plus 2 is 24 plus 2 is 26. So he has 28 blacks, so that's going to be possible. 154 white discs. He needs 157, so it's not possible because he only has 154 white disc and needs 157 for design 12. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We looked at question 7 on the May 2023 paper. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, or leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.